Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I have an unboxing of the Boxycharm base box and the Boxycharm premium box. So if you want to see exactly what I got in these boxes for the month of January, please continue to watch. Okay, we're back. And this is the base box and this is the premium box. So you can see it is bigger. Okay, the base box. For those who do not know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription for $25 a month for the base box and $35 a month for the premium box. They also have a Boxylux box, and that is $49.99 every 3 months. But I will leave all the information in the bottom section of this video. Okay, I'm gonna open the base box. Simple black box, have Hello Charmers on it. Open it up, and this is what it looks like. And I notice now they color coding the box too. So the base box has red in it, okay? And it comes just like here, just like this, with a card. And this is the products, okay? And the card says this month's theme is breaking the ice. There you go. And then on the back of the card, it just shows all the products that you have inside the box. And I have variation number 23. Okay, let's see what's in this box. I can already see I don't have but one thing in this box that I wanted. The first thing I see that I really wanted is Glow Recipe Sleeping Mask. This is what it looks like. Okay. And this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask retails for $22. Okay? Like I said, this is the only thing I wanted out of this box. I also got the Skin&Co Face Gommage. Okay? That's what this looks like. And let me see what they say about this. This is an exfoliating cream. And this retails for $28. Okay? $28. The next thing I see in here is Petite'N mascara. And it says mascara retails for $18. I know that's going in the giveaway. Also, this is going in the giveaway. And the next thing I see they got is the Pretty Vulgar Concealer. This going in the giveaway. Now y'all look. Look now. This is not my color. See, that's what I'm talking about. Come on, Boxycharm. But anyway, this concealer retails for $25. And you see these prices I'm saying, and this box is not but $25, and that's just one item for $25. But you're getting, so far that's 4, and this is the last product, which is 5. And this is a palette, Ace Beauty. I didn't want this. I wanted that highlighter, that Too Faced highlighter. Okay, if you're watching this Boxycharm, that's what I wanted. I didn't want no palette from no Ace Beauty. But anyway, this is what it looks like. And yes, it is a beautiful palette, but I didn't want it. And this retails for $34.99. So for the month of January, in the Boxy base box, you got 5 items. And the total for this box was $125.99. Now, where can you beat that at? $125.99 for 5 products and you just getting it for $25, you can't beat that nowhere. Like I said, I'm going to leave all the information in the bottom section of the video if you all would like to get in on Boxycharm. Like I said, it's a good subscription. I like Boxycharm. But lately, they've been giving me products that I did not want. Okay, now here is the premium box. In the premium box, you see it got the color blue. Okay, and it got the same card, it's just bigger, and it also has the same theme. And on the back of it also, it gives you what's inside the box and the retail prices. And in this box, it shows variation number 35. Okay? Oh, and when I open up the box, this is what it looks like. Okay? I can already see I got 2 items that I wanted, but the other 4 I didn't. So that lets you know you got 6 products in the premium box, okay? Let's see. The first thing I see in this box is a Skin Fine Foaming Cleansing Oil. Okay, this is what it looks like. And it says this is a foaming cleansing oil that is ultimate daily face wash. So you can use it daily for a facial wash. This retails for $28, and this is what it looks like. Okay. And the next thing I see in here is $1 Billion, the best brow kit ever. So we got a kit for your brows. That's what this looks like. So those 4 products is put inside this box. So I'm not going to take that out. And this retails for $42. That's another thing. This is going to go on my giveaway. If you all do not know, I am having a giveaway that's coming up real soon. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel, my YouTube channel, as well as subscribe to me on Instagram. But I'm going to have all the information coming up real soon. So don't forget, I am having a giveaway. I will be giving away 2 beauty boxes. And for those that into fragrances, I will also be giving away 2 fragrances. So that'll be a total of 4 people to win. Okay? The next thing I see in this box is Bliss. Okay? And this is Pore's panel. Deep detoxing. So this is a detox mask for your face. And it says, and minimize the look of pores. Okay, this retails for $18. So $18 for this. The next thing I see in the box is Kat Von D, Lolita. This is just a single eyeshadow. Single eyeshadow. And this is what it looks like, the packaging. And, okay, now are you opening it? Okay. That's that. That's the eyeshadow. And the eyeshadow is in the name of Lolita. Anyway, this retails for $19. Okay? The last 2 products in the box, which I really wanted, was this. Farsali. And this is a liquid serum. This is a skincare serum. And this retails for $54. And this is what it looks like. So can y'all see that? Okay. And the last thing in the box is the Too Faced Palm Spring Dream Cocktail Party Eyeshadow Palette. And this is the packaging. And this retails for $45. And this is it again. It's the palette. $45. And this is what the shades looks like. Okay. So we had a total of 6 products in the premium box. And the premium box is $35. And the total products for this month was $206. Like I said, where can you beat this? You can't beat these prices nowhere. 6 products worth over $200, and you're going to get it for $35. You can't beat that nowhere. Like I said, I love my Boxycharm subscription, but it's just that lately I've been getting stuff I did not want. That's about it. Like I said, there's a monthly subscription. I have the links at the bottom section of this video, so you can decide if this is something you would like to invest in or not. And if you all do get Boxycharm, let me know what variation you all get. So comment in the bottom section of this video and let me know your variation and how you feel about the base box, Boxy Premium, even Boxy Luxe. Other than that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.